Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on I-10 in Texas, beginning in the city of Sealy in Austin County at mile 720. We leave Sealy and enter the town of San Felipe. In 1823, John McFarland operated a ferry on the Brazos River near this location. In the fall of the same year, the site was chosen by Stephen F. Austin with the help of Felipe Enrique Neri, Baron de Bastrop, to be the main site in Texas for American colonization. Founded in 1824 as San Felipe de Austin, the town served as the capital of Stephen F. Austin's first colony and the founding site of the Texas Rangers. Here, US 90 has joined I-10 again. Here at exit 726, we take a detour onto the frontage road to get out of the heavy traffic. We enter the edge of the city of Brazos Country, named for the nearby Brazos River. Brazos Country was incorporated in the year 2000 and had a population of 469 people at the time of incorporation. At the Brazos River, we enter Waller County, and we see the beginning of the Katy Freeway. Waller County has a population of 50,115 and was named for Edwin Waller, a signer of the Texas Declaration of Independence and the first mayor of Austin. Waller County is included in the Houston, Woodlands, Sugar Land, Texas Metropolitan Statistical Area. Here, the US 90 concurrency with I-10 ends again, and since traffic was still slow, we detoured again at exit 729, following US 90 into the city of Brookshire. This detour will take us a little further off of I-10 for a couple of miles. We enter the city of Brookshire with an estimated population of 5,233. The city was named in honor of Nathan Brookshire, who was a Texas Army captain and large landowner in the vicinity. We re-enter I-10 near the end of the construction zone. We conclude today's video at exit 734. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.